Welcome, my name is Michael King. I'm a plein air and studio painter. I'm very excited because I just released my first online workshop, Painting More Loosely. And it's a workshop to get artists away from painting too tight. And the goal for the end of this workshop is to get you to create more vibrant and spontaneous paintings that exude freshness. So what can you expect in this Masterclass workshop? Well, for one, it's self-paced, so you can take your time throughout each exercise. You're going to learn how to identify the shapes needed within your scene. You're going to learn how to determine the best value relationship within the color. You'll develop your brush control and gain a lot more confidence with larger brushes. And one of the more important things, you're going to learn to lay down your paint and just leave it. That's so important. Now, opposite of what you might think about painting loosely, it isn't about just throwing paint on canvas. That kind of comes later. First, it's just about understanding and control of the situation. Now, besides what you'll learn, the workshop also includes 15 downloadable references, FAQs answered directly by me in the comments, full 16 exercises to work through, and one final last project that I think you really like. Now, by the end of this masterclass, you should be well on your way to painting more loosely. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Get the link down below in the description or up in the top right-hand corner here. All right, take care. Cheers, everyone.